Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we are going to look into 5 altcoins and we will see what are important price points for them to flip bullish on a lower time frame. So we are going to look at only 4-hour charts and this is only for short, medium term trades. So I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Not a financial advisor. Nothing I say is a financial advice. So please do your own research. We are going to look into 5 alts and let's see what, in my opinion, should flip into bullish and we can see some more upside. So the first alt that we are looking at is Ethereum and we are looking at a 1-hour Ethereum chart. If ETH can flip this important price point that is at around 2700, you can see in recent times this has been one important resistance. The moment we flip it into support, we see a nice move, but a very short-lived move, and again we come back down. If ETH can flip 2700 into support, which currently looks good, even we can see a nice RSI cross, EMA cross, sorry, where a 21 EMA is crossing 200 EMA. And if it can stay about 2700, then I think we can easily see it going to 2900. And if we see a good move on the upside, it can also go and retest 3200. So this is for short-term trade setups. I hope this can be of some benefit to you. So the first setup is ETH. If it flips 2700 into support, then these are the likely to nice resistances for ETH at 29 and 3200. If at all it breaks 2700, then the next immediate support for ETH is 2300, 2360 and 2190. So if it flips this into support, this is a good long trade. If it breaks, this is a good short trade. This is the first alt, that is ETH. Second alt that is a good trading opportunity is Link. I'm only focusing on all large cap altcoins and not small cap altcoins. So the second alt that we are looking at that can be a good trade is Link. If at all Link flips $14 into support, which currently it is trying to break, then a good move to 15 and $16.7 we can see in Link. If we see in the recent times, this has been a very important resistance for Link. Very difficult to break this $14 region, and whenever it has broken, we can see a good impulse wave to 15 or 16.7. So $14 right now is an important resistance. If this is broken, then a quick pump to $15 and also 16.7. If at all Link fails to break this, I think a good immediate support is at $12.3. You can see this is a support over here, over here. So the first target would be 12.3 and the next target would be 11.5. So it is very important, and this is a very important price point. If it breaks and flips this into support, this is a good long trade. If it stops, if it gets rejected over here, then this is a good short trade. The third chart that you're looking at right now is Luna, extremely bullish right now. And unless and until it is about $82, I think it will likely go higher rather than lower. We've already crossed our first taking profit zone of 94. The next two targets would be 109 and a new all-time high at 120. So as long as Luna is above 82, these are the likely three targets for Luna: 94, 109 and 120. I would not suggest you to enter now in this trade if you don't know how to trade. If you are new, and rather than buying over here, I think wait for the dip. If we get some dip and if it stays above 82, this would be a good buy in my opinion. Again, this is not a financial advice. If you're riding Luna, these are the likely next two resistance in my opinion. If at all Luna breaks 82, then $67 is the first important support, and then 55. You can see this has been the entire trend. So I think if at all Luna breaks 82, this would be a good short trade. Again, do short any alt only and only if you know how to, And you have to realize that it depends a lot on Bitcoin price action also. So if a Bitcoin continues to go higher, then it is very likely that even alts will follow Bitcoin. So please do not short. Again, do not short out of any greed. And just because I'm sharing charts over here, do not get inspired and short it. Only if you know how to trade, only then do use this. And please do not leverage trade, do not high leverage if you don't know how to handle that. It will be very stressful. And in my opinion, you will lose money rather than make money. So only if you're experienced, do it. Otherwise, don't. BNB, again, a good setup right now. As long as it is about 385, this is right now a good trade, short-term trade, as it can go to 413 and even 455 if we see some impulse move. At least whenever it has been above 385, you can see over here, we have gone and retested 415. So again, a good short-term trade. Also 455 if we see some bigger impulse move. Once we break this, the next immediate support is at 343 and 314. So very important price point is 385 in my opinion. If we break, a good short, if we keep continuing like we are right now, a good long. And the final chart for today is Sol, that is Solana. It needs to flip $91 in my opinion. And if it breaks, it's a good long to 99 and 114. If it fails to break, if it rejects, again a good shot. And this price at around 82 has been a good support right now. You can see over here, good support. But if it rejects, in my opinion, the main support is at $77, which we've seen over here. And if it fails to hold this time at 77, it can also go at around 68. So these were 5 alts for today that I have shared with you. All are large cap alts, not mid cap or small cap alts for short term trades. Let me know if you like such kind of videos, and I will try to make more videos where I can give you good long and short bot setups. Again, guys, nothing of whatever I say is financial advice. So please do your own research, manage your losses, have a stop loss, manage your trades, have a risk management plan in place. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.